Hey guys, Habit Gamer here and welcome back to another video. This video, I'm gonna be showing off the new 16.30 update. Enjoy the video! So first off, it's the new unstable exotic bow sold by Rebirth Raven over here, right near the Fort Crumpet I think. So it's right here. And she sells this unstable bow for 500 gold. So let me just buy that. Nice. So I think I found the first victim for our bow, and it's this guy. Oh god, I've got to be careful not to die, or else they'll be really bad for me. Yeah, so as you can see, it turned from a primal stink bow into a primal flame bow. Now I gotta kill this guy. I'm really scared. I might die. So wish me luck. And now it's a mechanical explosive bow. Oh god, I'm dead. So I showed off the bow. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll try to survive this fight. And I'm dead. Yeah, so sorry I couldn't show much gameplay of the bow. But then you guys understand the concept. It turns into a legendary version of any regular bow at any random shot. Like after you fire a shot, the next shot it will be a different bow, so it turns into different bows. It's a really nice bow, but then I'm not experienced with it, so I don't know how to play that well with it. So on to the next part of the video. So the next part of this update is the secret skin of the Battle Pass, Neymar Jr. So for those, there are all these challenges. I'll show you the skin at last, and I'll upload a separate video consisting of all the challenges. This skin comes with many challenges and many rewards. So here are two of them. The first is a soccer ball toy, which is really epic. You can do it by completing the challenge that I will post a link in the description to my other video in which I complete the challenges. And then next we have the Neymar Jr. banner icon. So after completing the NPC challenge, link in the description for my other video, you get the Neymar Jr. skin and a loading screen in which it shows Neymar Jr.'s Puma form kicking a ball. Yeah, so now that I've completed the challenges, these are all the epic rewards. As you can see, all of these are icon series. So yeah, it's epic. So here's the Jaguar strike. Here's the spray, I'm ready, which says Neymar Jr. And here's the Joya trophy, which looks really epic as well. And here's the emote. So this is how he looks as his Neymar Jr. style, Puma style. This looks sick, and it's very intimidating as well. So now for the last part of this update. So turns out the Joya trophy has two different edit styles. The Joya trophy and the golden goal style. This is epic. So the last part of this update is actually a new mythic and an additional style for Raz. This mythic is hard to get because it's guarded by Glyph Raz. Yeah, it's a new style for Raz which is really powerful, like in game. So you need a lot of heals for this fight. He has a mechanical explosive bow which is a mythic, and he's really powerful. Oh god. So you can see him right there, and he has not only that, but he has a special attack as well, which he does. Yeah, so this style is really powerful. I'll show it to you when I finally get close to killing him. So you need a lot of heals while fighting it, because he does that, which is a really powerful close range attack. So there's the other person, he just went by, and I think he regenerates in his health. Yes, finally got him. And you have to collect this for the additional trial. So let me just heal up quickly. So now I've gotten the mythic and I'll be testing it out. Hold on, let me just check its stats, because in the new update you can check the precise stats. So it does 118 damage, the fire rate is 1, magazine size is 1, reload time is 0.94 seconds. So this is pretty powerful if you ask me. I'm just gonna go and try killing someone. Ooh. I did miss quite a bit, but then I'll show it to you. This is hard to hit, because earlier in the video you saw me failing with the unstable bow, so there's no guarantee that I'll be good with this bow. So let me just reload it. And I've died. So yeah, it does a lot of damage, I suppose. And when you return to lobby, you get the Glyph Raz style. I'll just show it to you. And then you get the Glyph Raz Master Raz. And you complete the Jonesy quest. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. Yay! Oh yeah, and there are some other Neymar Junior rewards and other rewards as well, but then you need to complete epic quests for those. So I'll be showing them off in a later video.